नुसल्लिम अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम यरफ़इल्लाहु अल्लज़ीना आमनू मिनकुम वल्लज़ीना ऊतुल इल्मा दरजात सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Today, as we come to an end of our session, I would like to share a few words from my heart. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, जैसा कि हमारे समर कैंप का सफ़र ख़त्म हो रहा है, ये चंद हफ्तों का सफ़र बहुत ही इल्म से भरपूर, रूहानी तौर पर बेहतरीन और यादगार रहा। एज अ टीचर आई थैंक अल्लाह, मैं अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करती हूँ कि मुझे इस काम का हिस्सा बनाया। एंड as we know that each day for 3 hours from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, students engaged in a variety of meaningful lessons, like from vocabulary building in Urdu, Arabic and English language to learning about morals and values, idioms and phrases, understanding issues of prayers, and they have also listened to stories of prophets and many more things. And we hope that all this was not just about information but also transformation, a small step towards building a better character. And I want you all to know that the subjects we taught were not just ordinary subjects, they were seeds planted in the hearts of students. These teachings prepare students to be not only good individuals but also ambassadors of Islam who live with conviction, character and purpose. Now I want to mention some of the subjects that we taught and what students learned from it. First of all, vocabulary. And हमने 3 ज़बानों को vocabulary सीखा। हर ज़बान का अपना हुस्न होता है। English for fluency, Urdu for feelings and Arabic for our faith. And और हमने मसाइल भी सीखे। नमाज के ज़रूरी मसाइल जैसे फ़राइज़ है, सुन्नत और ख़ास नमाज़ें जैसे जनाज़े की नमाज और ईद की नमाज सिखाई गई। और ये थ्योरी नहीं थी बल्कि उनको एक गाइड था डेली लाइफ के लिए। हमने we have taught them by making them do it practically. So it was not just theory, it was also a guide to daily life. And अक़ायद, ईमान की बुनियाद स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई। Students learned about Allah, His prophets, the day of judgment, divine books, about taqdeer, and tajweed. They also learned tajweed, which is so important for reciting the Holy Quran in an acceptable and beautiful manner. And I want to mention a special thing today in my speech, is that this journey was not just a teaching experience for me, it was a learning one too. Through every discussion, every reflection and through every talk with the students, I found myself revisiting my own knowledge and reconnecting with the values I believe in. And these classes reminded me of the beauty of simplicity in teaching, the impact of our actions on students, the impact of our words on students, and the impact of whatever we do on our students. इस टीचिंग के एक्सपीरियंस ने मुझे कुछ अपने तरीकों पर गौर करने पर मजबूर किया है. So I can say that teaching really become a two-way process for me. I thought, but I also learned. And lastly, मैं तहे दिल से ओवैस सर का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ for appointing me as a teacher, and I want to thank Sister Shifa for being the best teaching companion. Her presence and support made this journey more special for me. एंड एट लास्ट अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि हमें सिखाया गया इल्म और हासिल किया गया इल्म कबूल फरमाए और नफ़ा देने वाला इल्म हमें अता फरमाए। आमीन। जज़ाकुमुल्लाह एवरीवन फॉर दिस मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस। वस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।